The Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined releases on November 4th. Retail is $180. And I'm going to tell you guys right now, do not buy this sneaker hoping, expecting, anticipating to make a lot of money, because it's simply not going to happen. If you ask me, these sneakers are going to simply go for slightly above retail. I'm not expecting there to be much resale on the Royal Reimagined, and I don't think they're going to be worth your time, your money, or your investment as far as a short-term hold. Let me explain why. Let's talk more about the Royal Reimagined Air Jordan 1s. What's up, guys? The Do Not Sell tees are live. Make sure you guys go click the link down below in the description. Go cop yourself a t-shirt. Very, very limited. And one of you guys that cop will receive a pair of Lost and Founds in your order. Make sure you guys click the link down below in the description. Go cop your Do Not Sell tee. They fit true to size. Very comfortable. I'll be wearing my Do Not Sell tee in a bunch of videos, so make sure you guys check it out. Very, very limited. Go cop, link down below. And thank you guys for the love and support. I appreciate you guys so much. I don't think the Royal Reimagined is a good hold, and here's why. When you guys take a look at the patent breads that I unfortunately was wrong about big time, but you guys take a look at the patent breads, those completely dropped. So I'm not expecting these to go up in price anytime soon, if at all. It's an all suede Jordan 1 Royal, and you can go get a pair of the Royals for like $350, maybe less than $400. So I don't really anticipate these going up in price. This is definitely a personal pair only. The Royal Reimagined, personal only. Or just quick flip them. I do not recommend holding the Royal Reimagined Air Jordan 1s. If you guys plan on copping, please comment a bunch of fire emojis. If you're passing, please comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who's gonna cop and who's not. This sneaker is darker than it looks on camera, in pictures. I'm not sure why, but a lot of people's videos, myself included here, pictures, they just do not do these sneakers any justice. As far as the blue suede, the color is darker in person. It's darker than this. I'm not sure why it's so light on camera, but in person, this is a real blue, a dark royal blue like it's supposed to be. It is all suede, so I know a lot of people are not a fan of them changing up the materials drastically. You know, we have a leather version for the Royals, and they gave us suede. Completely suede for the entire sneaker. I know a lot of people may not be a big fan. It is that hairy suede as well. You guys can really see it's very detailed and defined, the suede. They completely changed it up. Now, the nubuck on the black, the suede on the black is different as well. Usually we have leather. It's completely sueded out here. The suede, it does change color very lightly, very softly, very, very minimal, but you will notice a very, very slight change color when you rub the suede back and forth. The blue is really gorgeous, I must say. The suede is definitely a different change of material that I know it's going to throw a lot of people off. A lot of people off. Retail $180, and they're giving us an all sueded out Jordan 1. The box is really cool. They did switch up the box. Normally we have a black and red Jordan 1 box. This time we got black with the blue. Inside the box, you do have a lot number in red at the top of the lid. The sneakers do come individually wrapped, which is nice. Kind of like the Jordan 1 85 highs and even the Jordan 1 Spider-Verses. So they will come individually wrapped. And then you will have the YDM sticker, the green sticker with the white lines, with the lines going through. So you will have all of that as far as the packaging. They also come with some extra laces. So you will get blue laces inside of the cardboard box. Alright, so make sure you guys get your blue laces. They come with black laces already on the sneakers. Let me know down below in the comments, blue or black, what's it gonna be? November 4th, we will see these officially release. Will these sell out? In my opinion, yes, but I think it's gonna be a slower sellout because I don't think a lot of people are a fan of this suede. I really don't. I think a lot of the community is not a huge fan of them changing the material. I want you guys to leave a comment down below. How do you feel about the material switch up here for it being supposed to be leather, and they gave us an all suede Jordan 1 Royal. I think there's going to be plentiful of stock. I think there'll be a good amount of stock. I think a lot of people will go after them because it is a Royal. We haven't seen the Royal last release since 2017 right here with the all leather like it's supposed to be here on the OG. So they completely did a switch up. Complete switch up. You guys can see the camera once again just making this suede a lot lighter than it really is in person. It's a lot darker. We're going to see a lot of pairs, guys. A lot of stock of them. Early pairs right here. They're already out, so I do expect there to be a lot of stock. However, I'm not expecting a lot of resale on these. I'm really not. Retail is $180. I'm expecting them to go for maybe low 200s, not much over retail at all, because I don't think people are really feeling the suede. As simple as that. I think some people like it. Some people, a lot of the community probably doesn't like it because it's a big material switch up, and it's not patent leather. If they would have given us patent leather, I think these would have done better. I feel like a lot of people would be more anticipating this release. But it being suede, you know it's going to get dirty. You know it's going to get messed up very quickly compared to leather. So I think people might be passing on these. Let me know down below in the comments. You passing or you picking them up? The Royal Reimagined still fits true to size. They do fit true to size like every other Air Jordan 1. You're not going to have a problem with fit. You're not going to have a problem with comfort. Material differences, I don't think you'll notice them really on feet either. If anything, it might be a little bit softer because of the suede material. You do have your beautiful Nike Air on the tongue. They kept the tongue normal with the nylon material. And you have a black insole with the blue Nike Air. You do have a blue outsole as well. If you guys want to protect your outsoles, I highly recommend putting on Drip Grip sole protectors. The best sole protector on the market. No slips, no tears, multiple wears. I'll have a link down below in the description. Make sure you guys check out Drip Grip and use my code Danny10 for 10% off your order. The Wings logo, when you feel this embossed Wings logo, it kind of feels like leather. It feels like that leather material, which is nice. I think they did a really nice job of the Royal Reimagined. The Reimagined series has been a hit, if you ask me. I think it's done really well. It's nice to see them bring back some of these older, must-have, retro OG Jordans and do a complete switch on them. The patent breads, the bread one, they gave us patent leather. The Chicago one, the lost and found with all the cracked material. These, we got all leather normally, but this time we're getting suede. The white cement 3s, they gave us that age look. The Reimagined 3s. So I'm very interested and very happy with how they're doing the Reimagined series. I'm interested to see how it plays out with more OG sneakers. And hopefully, in my opinion, they stay away from suede. I just am not a huge fan of it being like this because you know it's going to get dirty. You know it's going to get disgusting very quickly. And when water hits these, it's going to be a disaster. It's not like leather where it's easy to clean, easy to manage, easy to maintain. And I will say, as far as wearability, you're going to get a lot of wearers out of this Royal colorway. You can wear them with a ton. Black, blue, white. The white midsole, you can't go wrong with the Royal Reimagined. I would have preferred, though, I'm going to say it, if they would have done the lost and found treatment on the Royals instead of giving us this suede. Let me know what you guys prefer, if you guys would have preferred something like the lost and founds with the Royal, or are you cool with the suede version here? Let me know down below in the comments, are these a cop? Are they a drop? Will you be picking them up November 4th, retail? $180, and resale is not going to be high at all. So don't worry, if you do miss out and you do want a pair, you're not going to be paying too much over retail to get yourself a pair, which is a good thing. So if you guys do want them, will not be too hard of a cop in my opinion. Plenty of pairs, and if you do take the L, resell will not be too bad at all. So I think it's a good shoe. Overall, it's clean, it's wearable for the most part, as long as you take care of them. It's just an all sueded out Air Jordan 1 Royal. I think I would have preferred if they would have done the suede, at least do it on the breads. I feel like the red suede would have been better than the blue. But hey, we got them. It is a part of the Reimagined series. I am interested and very happy that they're giving us OG Jordans back. It's great when they bring back an OG. Make sure you guys please smash that thumbs up. hit that like button, and please make sure you guys subscribe. We're on the road to 70,000 subscribers, so please make sure you guys subscribe, join the More family, and make sure you guys leave a comment. Let me know. Copper drop on the Royal Reimagined Air Jordan 1s, November 4th, $180. I think they will sell out. It'll be a slower sellout. I don't think they'll be too tough to get. If you put in the footwork, you should be good. Everywhere will have them. As long as they get Jordan Retros, they're going to wind up having the Royal Reimagines. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never going to stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. The Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined is fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.